Have a look at Disney stock technicals. All right, we're not gonna talk about their brand, how great it is. We know all that. All right, and last time I covered the stock, it was 9% drop. All right, and well, I don't like to say I told you so, but we covered it, that you don't buy first big red day. All right, you let the stock, you let other people to find bottom. All right, you don't buy in first big red day. That's a rule that many people, like experienced traders or fund managers, they know. But if you're new, now you know. Look at many charts that we have covered in this channel. Every time I keep saying same thing. So now, since Disney at that support zone for me personally, well, I'm covering it because I have been doing a little bit of a homework on weekend, going through the charts to see what could potentially can be on my watch list. So this is going to my watch list, all right, because it's at that zone from 154, maybe even all the way till 150. That's the zone I will watch as a support. All right, if people come in and try to pretty much, if this stock tries to chop around and tries to turn the corner, that's I'm not gonna hop in. If any stock hits my support level, I let people to show me, hey, this is a support, we're going up. That's when I hop in. I don't go back into like buying at particular alert levels that I set up. Another level you can use to define where the possible support is, you can use volume profile. And if I look at the volume profile, well, yeah, it's showing me a little bit of a support right there, but according to volume bar, maybe more of a support is somewhere here at let's take a look, from around 148 to 144. So see, different indicators tell different things. So I'm gonna be watching anywhere in that zone from, I think it can slip more from here, but this level, why I do have it as a support, is back from 2019. Let me switch to a weekly chart. It was all-time highs, all right, and in 2020 it did get back above that resistance, and now we're back at that level. So 2020, if you look at the yearly chart, let me bring up year-to-date chart. All right, so Disney looks like since 2012, never, even during pandemic, never closed. I mean, last 2020, of course, didn't close negative. But this year so far, 2021, we still have a month to go, right? Let's measure this drop. So from its year open level, stock is down 15.5%. So not a whole lot of discount for me, but a lot of people like it. I think maybe they used to like it because they were paying dividend. They're not paying dividend anymore. So treat it like a growth stock, all right? You're not going to get paid dividend. So are you happy with that? So, of course, I can't say like anything against the brand, all right? I know, like, just like I said, maybe I missed it. My sister in LA, she spends a lot of money to go to these theme parks with her 3 kids, just like I said. And, well, I think that's where they got hit because their parks were closed for so long. And we'll see what happens. But as a trader, so that's the zone I'm watching. So it doesn't mean that it can go lower. I think it can go lower. But if it tries to go higher, well, I want people to prove me that, okay, that's the bottom. Now we're going higher. So if you look at the MACD, another indicator that I use, well, it's not saying that the trend is about to reverse here. So definitely because it hit my support level, I'm not going to buy here call or maybe a share. I don't trade usually shares, but I usually trade contracts. So, but let's see what's going on with the option activity, all right? Let's have a look what happened on Friday at least. 140,000 calls were traded, 80,000 or so puts were traded, and well, that's not a whole lot of volume. So basically, what can we look at by implied volatility? So by the year end, December 31st, stock is implying $12 move up or down. So, but is it gonna be enough for this stock to be green? I think so. But I don't know why my platform is not loading the individual orders that I want to look at. Well, I guess I'll just put it in the comment section. So volume wasn't too big. Can't look up. Maybe it's weekend. They're doing some maintenance, I guess. So yeah, that's the update for Disney. Definitely on my watch list, but I'm not buying it yet. So I hope you guys liked it. Sorry that I make these kind of videos like pretty long. I usually try to make it like 3-4 minutes, but it ends up being like 7-8 minutes. So sorry about that. Watch it at 1.25 speed, at a higher speed, and see what you like. So thank you. Take care. Peace.